What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to complete the bench press drill in Madden NFL 26. Here's a simple breakdown of how the controls actually work. When the drill begins, start by pushing both analog sticks upward at the same time, hold them as the bar moves up and aim for the green release zone at the very top of the meter. That green area is your cue to stop. Once you reach that point, release both sticks and immediately start rapid tapping the bumpers. That's LB and RB on Xbox or L1 and R1 on PlayStation. This rapid tapping builds your stamina back up while the bar drops. As the bar reaches the bottom, look for the green lift zone. The moment you hit that zone, stop pressing the bumpers and push both sticks upward again to drive the weight back up. So the rhythm is simple: push the sticks, release, spam the bumpers and repeat. Make sure you avoid the red penalty zones on the meter cause those slow you down and drain stamina faster, which means fewer total reps. Just keep repeating this cycle until your player runs out of strength completely. With good timing and steady rhythm, you can put up solid numbers, 17, 18, even 19 reps or more depending on your strength rating. And that's the full bench press mechanic in Madden NFL 26. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.